Hey guys, Andrew from Yoda Expedition here. I wanted to talk about our Stage 1 Icon lift kit that we have on our 4Runner here. So we've been at Famous Redding Outdoors for about 2 hours now. We've gone through some mud, up some rocks, and I think the suspension is handling great, especially with all the added weight we have of the Sherpa roof rack, the Roam tent, we have a ladder, we have 2 window panels, case full stuff, and it's probably close to 500 pounds of added weight, and it's really handling well. The biggest thing that we get with the Stage 1 kit is we're able to fit a bigger tire. So these are a 285. I was right. So they're a 285 tire, which gives us a little bit more grip, a little bit more size, and obviously they look a lot better, especially on the 1552 Range HD wheels, shot below. But honestly, comparing this to the Tacoma we have over here, which is on stock Bilstein, I drove that and it rode really, really rough. It was harsh. This is still a nice lift, but it's really soft. It's not as soft as OEM, but it gives it the lift, and you still have nice compression when you're going over rocks, through some mud, and you don't know what you're really getting into. As you can tell, there's still a lot of clearance here. Yes, we're not on really level ground, but all this weight and we still have a good amount of clearance. There's not too much sag with the lift kit, and obviously when we want to go to something bigger and we get a front bumper, these are adjustable, so we can still raise this up to accommodate for more added weight from the front bumper, winch, all that kind of stuff. So we really think this is a great starter kit, and it allows you to grow with you. You can add long travel arms up front, some different stuff in the rear to really accommodate what you want to grow into when you get overlanding. So we're going to continue to test it out and let you guys know what we think about it. So just even going over these small little bumps of rocks that you can't really see, it's not super stiff where I feel like I'm jumping around and I'm going to need a new back at the end of this. So this is kind of steep. I think I don't know what we're reading at, like, I can't really tell what it's saying, but it's pretty darn steep, and literally I'm just easy on the brakes coming down. The suspension is definitely helpful. You can definitely feel like what you're doing, but it's super smooth, and as you can tell, I just went over a pretty big bump and it felt smooth. I don't feel any slipping. It's got a really good amount of grip. These tires are super helpful, but the suspension, allowing a bigger tire, getting more width out of it, is definitely really nice to have. So suspension. If you've been shopping around for any type of lift kit for your 4Runner and you've seen everything over the sun and just are thoroughly confused at what your options are, we highly recommend this Stage 1 from Icon. We have a full install video on how to get it installed very easily. It's going to be linked below, and obviously click the link in the description to find it at yodaexpedition.com. Do you think it liked it?
It's alright, it's got 1,900 miles on it. It's under warranty still.